Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna wash the Mustang. I haven't washed this car since I've had it. And what time I did have, I worked on the car to try to get the car to run right. So today, I'm actually gonna take time and I'm going to wash this car. If I have time after I wash it, I'm gonna try to polish on it some. I thought I'd bring you along and show you what I do. So this is what I'm going to use for the soap. This is a citrus wash and gloss by Chemical Guys. That's what I'm going to use on the body. And this is what I'm going to use on the wheels. This is the Blow gel. This is a wheel cleaner. It's safe for all types of wheels. As you can see, my wheels have a lot of brake dust and stuff. And I have not taken the time to wash this car, but I am going to wash it today just to give it a little bit of a better look. And I have some other stuff for the car that once we get it clean, we may work on some of the exterior. So this is the pressure washer I'm going to use. This is a Ryobi from Home Depot. This is a brushless. This has plenty of power to wash a car. And what I've got is this, I got the water turned on, but I'm just circulating water through the pump. I've not got the pressure washer on at the moment. This helps get all the air out of it. Now what I'm going to do is spray the car off before I actually wash it with soap. So just try to rinse all the dust and debris that you can off the car with the pressure washer, and then we'll go back and soak everything down. Now I'm going to use a chamois cloth just to kind of get the water off. I kept wetting the car so it didn't dry out on its own and cause any water spots. So I'm going to take this over it. So now I'm going to clean the wheel. I've got that Blow mix in here. A little better. I mean, it's hard to get these wheels perfect. They're old and they're stained. I do plan on getting new wheels, but that's pretty good for now. Now I got a few pieces to change out. As you can see, these moldings here look pretty rough. So I got to take the windshield wipers off. All you got to do is pull this lever out right here, which you have to probably have a screwdriver, and pry it out, and then this windshield wiper will come up off there. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and take this cowl panel off. That's this vent right here. You got some Phillips screws. Looks to be 6, 2 right here, 2 over here, and 2 on the other end. And that cowl panel should just release. Unhook your hose. And I'm going to take these 2 pieces off. They should just pull straight up. As you can see, mine is broke down there. And then out here, this slides up under this trim. So I got me a little pick tool. I'm gonna go up under here and I'm gonna pry that pin back and take this trim off that goes around the windshield. Just like so. A lot of debris down through here. I'll have to get a vacuum cleaner and clean that up. And you can see this is why this one's stuck up. It was right here, and you could always see like a big gap. That's because these pins were broke. Now I got all the trim off in the vacuum. Now we got to get these old pieces out. And here's what we look like. The cowl looks really good inside. And then had to get these clips, pry them out to be able to get the windshield. And then you got these clips down here, you got to pry them up to get those pieces that run beside the cowl. And you can see where my cowl was rubbing. It's rubbed a couple marks. Hopefully the new one will hide those. Well, I'm going to sand and prep, and I'm going to paint this trim black. Let's do that real fast. So first things first, I'm going to take some glass cleaner, and I'm going to clean these before I do any type of sanding, just to get any type of wax or anything like that off the surface. I don't want to sand and smear like a silicone or any type of wax on these trim pieces. And you can see that they're kind of dirty. I got a little scuff pad here. I'm just going to run over these, scuff them up. They're not going to be perfect, but they'll be better than what they was. Okay, those are sanded. I'm going to set up a couple of jack stands or sawhorses, and I'm going to paint this trim. I can't find my mineral spirits, so I'm going to use paint thinner. The only thing with paint thinner is you just got to be really easy with it. Just put you a little bit on a rag and then go over it. Give it a few minutes to dry. What I'm going to use is black Sim trim paint. This is an OEM match coating. We'll give that a few minutes to dry, and then I'll put a second coat on it. So I have the two new pieces here, and this will slide up in here like that. Same thing over here. Take this piece, slide it back up in here, and then you slide it up in here in the groove. And then you look for the tabs back here. On your cowl panel, you're going to have this windshield wiper cleaner tube hookup here. You're going to have a screw on the old one. They take it off and put this piece on. That way you be able to use windshield wiper fluid. And this is your new cowl. All right, guys, we got the Foxbody done. We washed it today, and I went ahead and put the new cowl panel on it, and I redid the trim around the windshield with some Sims trim, and then I put the two trim pieces on each side of the cowl panel new. Let's take a look at the way the car looks right now. So now that the car is clean, this is what it looks like. It cleans up pretty good. It's not perfect by any means, but it's a pretty clean car. And you can see here, I went ahead and sprayed the windshield wipers, put a new cowl panel on, put these new trim pieces on, and I repainted the trim around the windshield. Now all we like to do is do the trim around the doors and do something about this quarter window. I'm going to paint this trim, the metal around the sunroof, and then we're refreshing this trim here. So the car looks really good in my opinion. That helped out the look tremendous on the front. So it's just a stepping stone in the right direction. This car is going to be nice. I can't wait until the wheels that I want are back on the market, and then I can buy them, and that'll transform this car completely. So as you can see, we made a little progress today. I've got plenty more to do, but at least we're going in the right direction. But I think that's going to conclude this video. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.